Hey Grill Masters, today I want to share with you a bacon weave, which is a great way to create a sturdy, flavorful layer for dishes like my breakfast fatty that I just shared, which was smoked on the Traeger. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to make one. I recommend starting with 2 packs of bacon. I find 6 to 7 slices of bacon in each direction makes a really sturdy, square shape bacon weave. So what you do is you lay a large sheet of parchment paper on a flat surface to make it easier to assemble and roll the bacon weave, and then you place 7 slices of bacon vertically on the parchment paper side by side with the edges touching but not overlapping, and fold in every other slice of bacon back halfway, and then you place a slice of bacon horizontally across the unfolded vertical slices at the edge where the folds begin. So unfold the folded slices back over the horizontal slice. I hope the visual helps make this all click for you. But basically you just repeat the weaving process, alternating which vertical slices you fold back until they've all been woven into this really tight-knit bacon weave. Then it's a perfect canvas to use for other things. This would be great for smoking meatloaf or baking meatloaf in the oven. Just to have that layer around the meatloaf will add a lot of flavor. And I put this thing in a breakfast fatty, which I have another recipe for on YouTube that you can check out. So the smoked breakfast fatty was stuffed with things like scrambled eggs, sauteed onions and peppers, cheese, barbecue sauce, a layer of ground pork, and it was all rolled inside the bacon weave. I smoked it and it was ready in about 2 hours. At the end of these type of recipes, like if you're cooking something at 250, for example, you do want to note that the bacon weave it's going to require a little higher temperature to crisp up the bacon at the end. So I like to pop it up to like 350 at the end to get that nice crispy bacon. So find more recipes to use your bacon weave at sipbyco.com and make sure to pick up my free barbecue ebook while you're there. Like and subscribe for more tasty grilling recipes, and I'll see you here next time. Cheers!